rescue on Frosty four-wheeler off-road recovery. Today, we're going up to Obsidian Dome Flats to recover a Sprinter van that got stuck between a rock and some soft stuff. Hope you enjoy. Are you ready for recovery? You seem like you're pretty ready. It's so top heavy, isn't it freaky? I've had to drive these cupboards and stuff.
Wow. Too small of tires too.
Yeah, and the gear ratio. The gear ratio is off. Yeah, so it's like it sends all the torque and it's like, yeah.
It's been a nightmare though. Lesson learned the hard way.
But also an adventure. You're out with your family. I know it's really hard to tell from the video, but the rear passenger tire's on a rock and it's pushing the Sprinter van over to the ledge, and he was uncomfortable driving it any further. Him and his partner had just rented this van to see if they'd like this kind of setup. They have a truck and they really enjoy that, and so they gave this a shot and decided they hated it. And that's when they got stuck and decided they couldn't move any further. They wanted to give us a call to have us help. That's tension. Foot off the brake. So far so good over here. Little bit of gas, barely. Just to help out, little bit of gas, yep. That much. Steady. You're perfect right now, you're perfect. Yes. He stayed right on the boards. You're perfect.
Will you guys help us get to the road?
Oh, of course, yeah. We're buddies right now. Park. And then open up that wheel well all the way to the driver's side, yep, and hold it. So right about here, I started celebrating and said, yay, job well done. Awesome. And little did I know, the hardest part of the whole recovery was about to come. He says that you're gonna clear it if you can keep, yeah, follow where he says. If not, we'll back you up. We're good. He's checking it. We'll let him listen to you. Sorry about that. Stop right there.
Don't press on the brake all the way. Let it kind of like half press. So you let it roll, but you're still slowing it to the center. But stop right there and you back up one more time.
This is one of those times when the camera just doesn't do it justice. It's a lot steeper and the corner is a lot tighter than it even looks. You can see he can't reverse at all without spinning. This is a pretty good example of where lockers would come in handy, which most of these Sprinter vans do not come with.
It's going to move a little bit. This time I want you full press on the brakes. It's just sliding. Turn driver, right there. I like that. Just like you've been doing, nice and easy. Yeah, left driver. Stop right there. I'm going to pull you there.
Remember when I said the worst part of the recovery was yet to come? Here it is. And it's just because the front end of this van just wanted to slide over that soft shoulder over and over. The more he went forward, the more it went over the edge. So we decided to, while we were ahead, hook up a tree saver, hook up the winch line, use the Ford behind the van, and you can see we pivot the van all the way over back onto the road because its turning radius, it couldn't make that corner. These vans are so heavy once they start going downhill, gravity takes over and they just can't reverse back up. So a normal 3-point turn to the rest of us is practically impossible for this fan. Alright, so we got him around the corner and now he's behind us and we just need to get him out to the trailhead. That'll do it for another rescue from Frosty 4-Wheeler Off-Road Recovery. I appreciate you watching and let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, stay frosty!